Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are moving with one more example of calculating time complexity by using frequency count or step count mechanism. Here, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Just to some initializations. So, for A is equal to 0, it takes 1 unit of time. B is equal to 0, some 1 unit of time. So, total, it requires 2 units. Now, coming to this for loop, how many number of times the loop is executed? Up to I less than n. So here the loop is executed n plus 1. So why n plus 1? For all the n number of times the condition is true, it enter inside the loop. That means the statement that written inside the loop is executed n number of times, and this condition is evaluated n plus 1. Why? N times for true case, 1 is for false case also. Similarly, this condition is evaluated m plus 1 number of times, and this function is executed only m number of times. Now what is the time complexity? N plus n, 2n plus 2m plus 4. This is the time complexity. Anyway, if you want to represent in big O notation, there is no use of any constant. Simply the time complexity is big O of n plus m. Big O of n, time complexity for executing this for loop. Big O of m is the time complexity of executing this for loop. So the total time complexity is big O of n plus m. And if you want, you can calculate the space complexity. Now what is the space complexity? Here observe, A constant amount of time, B also constant amount of time. Here n, whether n value is 10 or 100, whatever it is, it also some constant. Randomly it generates one number, that also takes constant. That means in the entire algorithm, observe, any variable does not need any extra memory. So here randomly generate the number, within A only the value updated. Here randomly generate the number, within B only the value is updated, means it does not require any additional space. So the space complexity for this algorithm is simply a constant. That means big O of 1 is the space complexity. In the next session, we will move with another example. Thank you.